Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today I'm gonna do something else neon because I am now addicted to neon.
And I never fucking learned how to read.
So I'm gonna be using the Midas Cosmetics neon glow stick pigments. And there was a bunch of stuff going around about how they are unsafe for cosmetic use, but do I care?
No.
Have I used other things that are probably unsafe?
Yeah.
Basically put it in my mouth yesterday, so So basically I'm gonna tape some lines down. I need to know how long my face is. Okay, so this is basically, I can't move my mouth much. This is what I'm gonna do. My Colourpop. Okay, so that is where we're at. Okay. So the pink is Trap, the orange is Shockwave, the yellow is Insomniac, and the green is Mass. So now that I have this on, I'm gonna have to go around it. That was just my Colourpop concealer and then some of the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder on top. I love that powder. It's one of the few drugstore products that I've stuck with for a long time. I'm gonna smoke out the bottom of my eye with some black. So I'm starting to hate this. I might try to clean it up with a powder. I feel like it's just too much. I think I'm just gonna use my Colourpop brow gel. Okay, I think I'm gonna try Biscotti, the Morphe brow brush, the one that I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna put a thin line of the Kat Von D tattoo liner across my lid. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna line my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of my Too Faced mascara on. Maybe I'll just put some of my rom-com on my eyelid. I need some kind of color there. I think I'm going to use the same lashes I used yesterday because I really like them and I think this look will show them off a little better. So just Chummy from Morphe. Look at how pretty these are. So now that I've got my lashes on, I'm trying to decide what kind of highlight to put on. I'm gonna get my James Charles Morphe palette and use Ringlight from that. Alright, and then for my lips, I want to just do black, but like...
Really, bitch?
But like black is gonna be the best. Should I do like messy black maybe? Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I kind of like the messy black, but I want to darken it and smoke it out a bit. Smoke. Okay, so I just made my mouth look like it's kind of cracking. I don't know why I'm talking like that, like it's not actually cracking. Ooh, I think I want to do my fingers black again, which is like one of my favorite things to do. But it's my left hand, so we're just gonna... Alright, and now that I've creepied my hand, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of like mini neon series. Bleh. Anyways, I'm glad I could turn this neon look into something kind of dark and creepy, because that's always something that I love. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.